Do this, do this, do that, do this.
I do the dummy retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today I'm going to be getting this Malibu ready and this Chevy Aveo ready. So I got to just basically, I'm about to spray this purple power on here, wash them down. Y'all see I got the power washer over here. In the last video y'all seen I cleaned this car up, cleaned this car up, and this car up. So yeah, y'all gonna have to start watching all the videos because y'all gonna miss out on something. But I did, if y'all didn't see yesterday's video or the last video, I brought my power washer out there. I hooked this shit all up. So I'm up here, man. The grind don't stop, man. I gotta get these goddamn cars ready. I gotta start making this goddamn money, because y'all know I'm about to have money like that. So let's start spraying this purple power stuff on there. Y'all know about this shit. This shit does amazing. Shit's amazing. See, just a little in there, just a little bit in there. Okay. And this stuff is safe to use on white cars and some silver cars. I would not spray this on black car. Hell no. I'm just gonna spray all this up. Let's see, get it all cleaned up. Spray painted black. I bought some hubcaps in the last video. I gotta spray this, get this shit all ready. Get it all ready, all cleaned up. All right, guys, I know y'all getting tired of just seeing me spray this shit. I'm gonna finish spraying this shit, bring out the power washer. I might have to clean the motors depending on how dirty they are. But anyways, guys, let's get it. So we're gonna try to see, can we get this cleaned all up? There's a lot of oil down there, so I'm gonna start spraying that stuff on there. Get this all degreased up. Get this motor all cleaned up. Matter of fact, I need to stop spraying this. I need to start this car up and that car up before I start cleaning the motors. Well, this ain't that dirty. I'm still gonna spray a little bit. I'm gonna spray a little bit on there. Just want to look out and then stop playing around. Spray this shit. Gotta make it clean, gotta get it clean. It's not clean, it looks kind of dusty. I think someone already cleaned this up, but I'm about to re-clean it because I don't think they did a good enough job. We got this already turned on, so I spray all this stuff in there. Let me turn this nozzle. Oh shit, I had it on the right one there. Screen. Get this shit real cleaned up. So we got that white Malibu over there drying off. Now we got this nasty ass engine. Let's see how good can I get this clean. Clean this car off, clean these. Gotta put some hubcaps on. That's gonna look big difference. Hubcaps make a big difference. You could raise the price. Some $20 hubcaps will raise the price $200, believe it or not. Or if it don't do that, it will at least make it easier sell. So let me start this thing up. So I'm back with the spray paint. Y'all see it? Pop this off. Pop the top. So I got some 15s, the hubcaps for this car, and then some 14s for this car, and I was right. So we're gonna see what these cars look like without them. And we're gonna get them ready. But first, we gotta start spraying the magic black spray paint on these cars. We gotta, you know, go in a circle motion with it. That shit look different. Like look at this shit and then watch. That shit make a big difference, y'all. Big difference. And yeah, I was just thinking, some of y'all like, oh, do this to the car, do this to the car, do this to the car. Y'all see how many motherfucking cars y'all want me to do shit to? Like, do this, do this, do that, do this. Fuck that. I'm doing the bare minimum. Really, a lot of people don't even do this shit, but I'm doing it because it's my style. I always like painting this shit. I really like to paint, y'all. Believe it or not. Yeah. Can't make all these goddamn cars brand new. Hey, these motherfuckers ain't mine. This is the company's cars. So I'm just trying to get them ready, make some money, man. That's all that matters at the end of the day, making some money. So I'm gonna continue spraying both of these rims up. Then I'm gonna put the hubcaps on there. Then I'm about to take them for a ride, and we're gonna do a little walk around. Let's get it. So tell me this don't look better, y'all. You see it? Can't tell me that don't look much better. It already looks better. They don't have all that rusty look, you know what I mean? Before we go, I gotta pull up here and put some air in this goddamn tire. This shit for free, $1 or $1.75. Hold on. Fuck that, let's see. I see this kind of flat. Can I swipe my card? Try to swipe. Give me my goddamn car playing around with me. So we're gonna put some air in it. Love this technology shit. God damn it. So guys, there's no radio in here. Goddamn, that sun is beaming all in my goddamn face. Right up here and take my little pictures, man. I just want to show y'all this car drives good. If y'all guys interested, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, DM me. Don't complain. Some people be on there playing, just talking. I don't want to just talk. I don't come to your job playing, so don't come to my job playing, please, guys. I love all y'all, but please, when it comes to business and messaging, please, it's not fair to the other people that's really trying to do business. Because I'll fuck around, not read their message and read your bullshit ass message. If you talking about nothing, it's like, God damn, I appreciate y'all though, you know. But shit, sometimes y'all guys just be, I'll be like, what the fuck are you talking about? You know what I mean? Y'all sending me jokes and all that shit, man. I don't be playing with joking around and all that shit, like, man. I be playing, but not business and pleasure is two separate things, man. Two separate things. Walk around here, so you already seen how it run. Let me show y'all the motor one time. How does it look? But it looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean. Looking good. All that shit. Yep, did a pretty good job. Yeah, if y'all interested in seeing how much I'm selling for, follow me on IG, Instagram. I don't want to hear, I don't got no social media. Create it. It's free. All you need is an email. That's it. All that shit's free. So anyways, let me pull out. Oh, matter of fact, look at the hubcaps though. They make a big difference. Y'all can't tell me they don't make a big difference. Let me step back so y'all can see it. You can't tell me it don't make a big difference. Make the car look from raggedy to looking somewhat decent, looking good. You know what I mean? But anyways, guys, let me go get that Chevy Avail and let's see what that thing do. Now we are in the Chevy Avail. I did not try to run that over. But anyways, got it all cleaned up. It seems like it runs pretty good. Just a little gas saver, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing too major. Driving straight. No hands on the steering wheel. Yeah. Everything pretty good in there. Pull up in here and do a little walk around for y'all. Knocking these out, man. The next video after this, you already know what that's gonna be, man. The walk around. The dealer only auction walk around. Show y'all. Matter of fact, let me pop the hood. See how good. I'm really curious for myself to see how good this hood, I mean, the engine got clean. How good did that purple power stuff work? Did I do a good job on it? Oh man, it's amazing under here. Okay. See, that's my style. I like shit clean. You know what I mean? I would like to buy some shit that look clean. Like, okay, they at least took care of it. Other than that, it looked like grease and dust and everything was all over the place. So that makes a big difference. Like this, back up on there. Close that. Show y'all the inside. It's pretty clean. Hit me up if y'all interested, man. If y'all don't like nothing I got for sale, like I said in previous videos, just hit me up. So my goddamn GoPro died, so I had to use my phone. So here it is. There you go. Y'all see it, man. I had to finish it up on the iPhone 11. I wonder which one's gonna look better. Y'all comment below and let me know. Well, anyways, guys, man, this shit sucks, man. I like to have everything on one fucking video. Hopefully I don't lose this footage, because I do be deleting videos out my damn phone. But hopefully, you know, I don't have to redo this shit. But anyways, guys, man, like I said, was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, $300. If you don't like anything I'm selling, you go with me to the auction. I could look for something in the streets, anywhere. I'll locate your car. So anyways, guys, man, it's fucking hot as fuck out here. Let me put this goddamn it's weird recording with the phone. Like, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, it's weird as fuck recording with the phone. I started off with the phone for my YouTube, edit videos on iMovie, just in case if any of y'all guys out there want to start y'all YouTube channel. That's all I started with. I started with the iPhone 7 and started using iMovie, and I was all good. But anyways, guys, just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wills and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
Rice bowl, smoke in your face, supercharger. Push this button, that's my engine starter. Pistol tuck, might be priming, but my engine souped up.